Steal videos was not a steal this time. It was a steal, like it stole my money.
You guys, it's that time again. We got another unboxing.
Secondhand savings, steal videos, sustainable secondhand steal videos. We got another unboxing from RealReals, so if that's what you're interested in. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my passion for eco luxury lover, shopaholic. And today we're doing a Sunday steal of a deal savings, secondhand shopping, sustainable unboxing. This is something I've kind of been wanting for a very, very long time, and I've been looking at different options for a very, 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 very long time, so I'm actually really excited to unbox it. Although, the box looks a little small, unless it's like disproportionately folded, or I don't know, something seems a little bit off with the box, but we'll see. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna unbox the Talk Tick. But this is something I've been wanting for a very, 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 very long time. I've looked at different styles. I've looked at different places. I could have never been able to pull the trigger on something like this. And then not something like this. This particular one and particular size. I have other things like this. Vague for no reason. Unnecessarily vague. Okay, but we're gonna unbox it, and then I'll explain why. Does that make sense? Okay, hold on. Okay. So I was right, you guys, the box was too small. The thing, first of all, it came folded, which pissed me off a little bit. And then the box was too small, so I feel like I have to return it now. And also it has a little wear on it, which upsets me because when it says no wear and then it comes to wear, which RealReal does sometimes fail on. So anyway, this is what I got. I'll show it to you. I was actually really, really excited about this one. So I've been wanting a computer case for my computer, big pouch computer case. So I got this, which is really, really nice. It's Chanel. It's got this little CC detail here, which I like, gold hardware. It's Karl Lagerfeld, the older collection. Didn't come with a box, didn't come with the authenticity card, which also kind of upsets me now that I think about it. I think I knew that, but I was willing to forego it because I thought it was the right size and the price point was good. It was $860 versus I think these are 15 to 16 to 17 to 18 to 2000 now at Chanel. And it's older Karl Lagerfeld, so I trust the quality and the stitching and everything like that. And it's lambskin, so it's really soft, which I kind of wanted caviar, but I thought lambskin would be okay. I want caviar because it's gonna go in and out a lot, and so it's gonna get scuffed up. But I thought it would be okay with lambskin because it's so soft and delicate, and I just like lambskin too, and sometimes I do want lambskin things. But I found 1, 2, 3 scratches already on it. I don't know if you can see them, but they're there. And that's not the biggest issue. The biggest issue is I bought this for my MacBook Pro, and I was waiting so long because my MacBook Pro broke one day. The display just broke and stopped working, so I couldn't use it. And I got lazy and never went in, and I had another computer that I'd already bought. So I was fine, right? So I was fine like not using it because this was more for like, this was for editing and posting YouTubes, but also this was for more work stuff. And this was kind of like a good travel size, and I was fine, whatever, travel size, but I wanted to have this travel size. I wanted to have something for this to travel with, but because I wasn't using it, I wasn't like pulling the trigger. The display just stopped working one day, basically what happened. So the display stopped working, and then I got lazy about I had to back the whole thing up. This is a long story. I had to back the whole thing up, didn't have the right things, didn't have time, whatever, and I couldn't do it because the display wasn't working, so I had to sit and do it at the MacBook store for 2 days straight. I sat there for 10 hours and do it there with their like external hard drive, external display and everything like that. It was a whole thing. And then it didn't even work, so then I had to do it a different way. Long story, anyway, it took a really long time to do it, so that's why I was procrastinating doing it. But anyway, I wanted a travel case for that, and the listing said it was 14.5 by 10.25 for the measurements, but the actual measurements are, and my computer is 10 by 14 for a 16-inch MacBook Pro. But the actual measurements of this thing are 13.5 by 9.5. So it doesn't really fit, like this won't fit. So the whole point of it is moot. See, it doesn't fit. And this will fit, which is nice, but I kind of I'm like, well, now, I don't know. So I don't know what to do about that, but yeah, so I'm not gonna keep it. So that's the end of that story. It is very cute though, it's cool. I like it that it's two-tone, like it's got the thick things in the thing here. So you can kind of wear it like this way, or you can wear it like that way, But again, I don't know, I can't use it. Okay, anyway, that's all I got. Steal videos was not a steal this time, and was not a deal. It was more, it was a steal, like it stole my money. And I didn't get what I wanted. So that's all I got. Okay. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What should I do? I return it, right? I didn't buy the return thing, but hopefully they'll just let me return it. That's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemy next, because I know your time is valuable and I know it's precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby.